Hey guys, just bringing you a quick unboxing of the Ailun phone tripod. Let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
Hey guys, before the video starts, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and also check out my merch store and my Discord. Let's go. Hey guys, today's shout out is going to a guy named Headless. Currently has 83 subscribers and uploads Fortnite content. And now let's get into the video. So I got it right here. This is a phone tripod for your phone, just for filming and stuff, which I'm going to be using in the future. So just a quick unboxing, and then I'll give you guys my actual review of it once I use it a little. Hopefully I can get this open pretty easily.
There we go.
Okay, barely anything in the box. Tripod itself, phone mount, and a piece of cardboard, which doesn't mean anything. Throw that to the side. Open this up, comes in a little baggie. So this is the actual thing that clips onto your phone. It's adjustable, as you can see. And this is the tripod. Comes in bubble wrap, which popping is always fun. ASMR. So yeah, just slide that out. So here's the actual tripod itself. This one you can lock into place so it doesn't pivot, and I'm pretty sure you can also use this for a vlogging sort of setup. When you have all three legs parallel to one another, you can hold your camera like this, and yeah, let's get into the full review. Okay guys, so here I have the tripod itself. I apologize if there's any shaky camera action going on in this video. The reason for that is because I'm not using the tripod at the moment. Actually, let me get some better lighting. Okay, so I got some better lighting now. So just gonna do a quick review on this tripod. I did have a tripod in the past that I bought off Amazon. It was pretty cheap. I decided to get a new one just because this one had one feature in particular that I liked in terms of camera angle. So yeah, this is basically a simple tripod for your phone. As you can see, it has this attachment right here. This is like any normal tripod, so if you guys have a camera that supports, I think it's like a quart or something in measurement. Most cameras, it's like universal for most cameras when attaching to a tripod. It's like the same. I don't think there's any variation when it comes to that. So it has this feature right here. This thing slides up and down to adjust for various sizes in terms of phone size. That's what I meant to say. It's a very strong fit. Your phone will not fall out of this. It's spring loaded, so your phone is not going anywhere when in here. It's very tight, and this can fit basically any size phone unless it's like really tiny or really large. Okay, and then in terms of the legs, each one can pop out. Let me just show you real quick. So as you can see here, each one can pop out. It's very sturdy, guys. This thing is not going anywhere. Very strong, very good materials. The material is like very soft. I don't know what specifically it is, but it's very soft material. It's not like plastic or anything. It's not really like mesh, but also it will not move. It has a good base, good rubber tips. The base right here, that's made of rubber, so it's not going anywhere. And right here, the feature that I really like is this knob right here, which you can adjust. You turn it to the left, which loosens this axis right here. Yeah, so this can be adjusted like this. So say you want the camera pointed like really down, but you don't want it to actually move. You put it in this position, and then you simply just tighten this knob right here. And then now, just tighten it a little more. And then this will not move unless you really put a lot of effort into it, but it requires a lot of effort. For the most part, it'll stay really still. So as you can see here, it loosens up when you turn it to the left. Let me just tighten it a little. Okay, and this can also be, this part can come off just by pressing this. Let me just do it real quick. Okay, so I just loosened it a little there. So this can come off, it twists. And so as you can see here, this is a basic camera tripod, universal tripod mount. Just screw in any camera there, and now you have a tripod for any camera you want, but the main point of this is to actually use your cell phone, so that's why this is included. What's cool is that it doesn't just have a screw here, it also has a screw here, so if you want to attach your phone, maybe have it at a different angle, I don't know what angle you'd use that for. Say you want to use the front-facing camera, you want it to point upward, maybe look at the sky or something, get some footage of the sky, B-roll, clouds moving by. You can do that as well. So it's very versatile in that sense. That's going to be it for this review, guys. Very good tripods, very cheap. You can go find this on Amazon, linked below. I'll have it linked below. Gets the job done. I've used this a bunch already. Get some nice angles. These legs can bend really well and attach to different sorts of objects. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, use my Fortnite supporter creator code to get that free shout out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.